Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change resolution in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To change the resolution of a design here in Adobe Express, you can simply adjust the size of your canvas, which indirectly affects the resolution. Now, what I want you to do once you are logged into your account is open the project or the design that you are working. If you haven't already and you want to start from scratch, you can simply click on the templates and get these inspiring designs that you can work with, or you can start uploading your own content by clicking on the button and then change the resolution later. In my case, I'm going to start with this specific design. It's very easy when you want to change the resolution on here in Adobe Express. Now, to put it simply, the first option that you can do is go to the add a new page here on the upper right corner. All right, if you click that, you should have an option that says custom size. All right. Now, I'm going to give you an example of the full high resolution. For example, a 1920 to 1080 pixel is going to be full high definition. Or if you put the 38 by 40 to 2160, that's going to be considered as a 4K resolution. I want you to click on add page. Now, all the elements here, for example, if you want to copying all the elements to your different page by simply clicking, pressing the shift button, and then click on the elements. And what will happen is you would have an option to group it. It will pop out, and then I want you to right click and copy the entire element to the second page, which has the 4K resolution. And you see the dimension. And from here, all I have to do is resize the elements accordingly. All right, so that's one way. Another option that you can explore is go to the resize button here on the upper left corner. But the thing is, if you click that, it requires you to upgrade to the premium plan, because the smart resize will magically update the layout of your page, and it requires a premium plan subscription. Obviously, I am on the free trial. Now you see, on the these are gonna be the measurements. For example, for Instagram square post, it is 1080 by 1080 pixel, and you can choose from any of these options. Make sure that you know the dimension, so you'd notice that the resolution will change thereafter. All right, so these are going to be some of the options that you can choose. Like for example, a line official account is going to be 2500 by 843 pixels. All right, and these are some of, there's a lot. All right, you can duplicate and resize or just resize. So once you have chosen the resolution for the next canvas, all I'm gonna do now is make sure that you try the premium, and then from here all I have to do is go to the download option. There should be an option for you to change the resolution from here. Say for example, the original design was 720. You can now choose the 4K original size and click on download, and you would be able to change the resolution here in Adobe Express. All right, it's very simple. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again in the next one.